It's 2 a.m. You're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling. The fan is spinning. The room is dark. But your mind is running calculations. Again, $127,000 in student loans, $38,000 salary, $847 per month payment. For 15 years, 180 months, 5,475 days of payments. The numbers don't work. They never did. And deep down, you knew that. Even when you signed the papers. Even when you walked across that stage, even when you took that first job offer, you knew, let's go back. 4 years ago, you were 18, standing in your high school guidance counselor's office. She had the paperwork spread out in front of you. College applications, financial aid forms, loan documents. This is normal, she said. Everyone does it. Your parents sat next to you. Proud, excited. Their kid was going to college, first generation, or maybe continuing the family tradition. Either way, this was supposed to be a celebration. The university you chose, prestigious. The brochure showed students laughing on perfect green lawns, modern buildings, high-tech labs. The statistics they shared were impressive. 97% job placement within 6 months of graduation. Average starting salary of $55,000. Those numbers looked good, really good. What they didn't tell you? That $55,000 average includes the engineering students making $80,000, the business majors making $60,000, the pre-med students going straight to medical school. And then there's you, liberal arts, social sciences, following your passion, doing what you love. That's what everyone said to do, right? Follow your passion, do what you love, and the money will follow. They lied. Freshman year, you moved into the dorms, met your roommate, went to orientation, signed up for classes, and you signed more loan papers. Because tuition was $23,000, plus fees, plus room and board, plus books, plus the meal plan, plus the parking pass, plus the lab fees, plus the technology fee, plus the student activity fee. By the end of freshman year, $32,000 in debt. But you didn't think about it, because everyone else was doing the same thing. Your friends were taking out loans. Your classmates were maxing out their financial aid. This was just part of the process. The investment in your future. Sophomore year, $37,000 more, because tuition went up. It always goes up, 3 to 5% every year, like clockwork. The university needs to upgrade facilities, hire more administrators, expand programs. And you pay for it, junior year. $41,000 more. You're starting to feel it now, the weight of it. You check your loan balance online. It's growing, even though you're not paying anything yet, because of interest, capitalized interest, the kind that builds while you're in school, the kind that turns your $60,000 principal into $75,000 by the time you graduate. Senior year, $17,000 more. You cut back. Moved off campus, got a part-time job, ate a ramen, skipped the meal plan, but it doesn't matter. Because the core costs, tuition, fees, books, you can't negotiate those. Graduation day, you walk across the stage, your family cheers, you're wearing the cap and gown, holding the diploma, smiling for pictures. $127,000 in debt. You sent out 200 applications, 200. You customized your resume, wrote cover letters, networked, attended career fairs, followed up, did everything right. You got 12 responses, 12 out of 200. That's a 6% response rate. And out of those 12, 4 interviews, 2 second-round interviews, 1 job offer, $38,000. You stared at that offer letter for a long time, sitting in your apartment, the one you're sharing with 3 other people because you can't afford to live alone, doing the math in your head. $38,000 before taxes. After taxes, about $29,000, $2,400 per month. The student loan servicer sent you an email. Your grace period is ending. Your first payment is due in 30 days. $847 per month. Standard repayment plan. 10 years. Wait, 10 years? That can't be right. You do the math. 847 times 12 months times 10 years. That's $101,640. But your loan is only $127,000. Oh, interest. 6.8% interest. Over 10 years, you'll pay back $162,000 total. $35,000 in interest alone. You email the servicer. Ask about income-driven repayment. They put you on a 25-year plan. The monthly payment drops to $612. That's better, more manageable. But wait, 612 times 12 times 25. That's $183,000. You'll pay $183,000 to repay a $127,000 loan. $56,000 in interest. You pick the 10-year plan. Get it over with faster. $847 per month. You take the job. Month 1, your paycheck hits $2,400. Rent is $1,200. That's 50% of your income. Financial advisors say housing should be 30%, but you live in a city where jobs are. So 50% it is. Student loan, $847. That's another 35%. You've spent 85% of your income. You have $353 left for the entire month. Utilities, $80. Phone, $70. Internet, $50. You're down to $153. Groceries, gas, insurance, car payment. Wait, don't have a car payment because you can't afford a car. So you take the bus. That's $60 for a monthly pass. $93 left. For food, for the entire month, that's $3 per day. You eat ramen, peanut butter sandwiches, rice and beans, you meal prep, buy the cheapest groceries, skip going out, skip drinks with friends, skip dating, skip living. Month 2, same calculation. Month 3, same result. Month 6, your friends are buying cars, taking trips, going to concerts. You're at home, eating rice and beans, staring at your loan balance. Year 1, you've paid $847 times 12, $10,164. Your loan balance? $123,000. Wait, it went down by $4,000, but you paid $10,000. Interest, $6,000 in interest that year. Only $4,000 went to principal. This is going to take forever. Your high school friend, the one who didn't go to college, remember him? He became an electrician, went to trade school for 18 months, cost him $8,000 total. Started his apprenticeship at $15 per hour. After 4 years, journeyman electrician, $75,000 per year. You see him at the grocery store. He's buying the good cereal, the name brand stuff. He asks if you want to grab dinner. You say you're busy because you can't afford it. And you're embarrassed. He just bought a house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a savings account, contributes to a 401k, takes 2 weeks vacation every year. You have a degree from a prestigious university, and $353 per month after expenses. Your degree is hanging on the wall. in a frame you got from Target, because you couldn't afford a nice one. It's a Bachelor of Arts, magna cum laude. It means you did everything right, studied hard, got good grades, followed the path, and it got you $38,000 per year and $127,000 in debt. You're not alone. 45 million Americans have student loan debt. 45 million. The average balance is $37,000, but that average includes everyone. Community college, state schools, Ivy League. Your balance is 3 times the average. The total student loan debt in America, $1.7 trillion. Trillion, with a T, more than credit card debt, more than auto loan debt, second only to mortgages. And the outcomes? Liberal arts graduates earn a median starting salary of $38,000 to $45,000. Your degree, right in that range. Business majors, $55,000. Engineering, $75,000. Computer science, $85,000. But they told you to follow your passion. And you did. And this is where it led. Here's the thing. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. The university raised tuition 300% over the last 20 years. Wages went up 19%. But loans are still approved automatically. Because the government backs them. 18-year-olds sign documents they don't understand. For amounts they can't comprehend. For degrees that might not pay off. The university gets paid up front, in full, whether you graduate or not, whether you get a job or not, whether that job pays enough or not. They get their money. The government, they collect interest for 25 years. Or until you pay it off. Or until you die. Whichever comes first. Student loans don't disappear in bankruptcy. They follow you forever. And you get a piece of paper, a transcript, and a payment plan that lasts longer than most marriages. This isn't about whether education has value. It does. This isn't about whether your degree taught you things. It did. This is about math. Simple math. Return on investment. And the math doesn't work. You paid $127,000 for a credential that earns you $38,000 per year. Your electrician friend paid $8,000 for skills that earn him $75,000 per year. His return on investment was positive in year 1. Yours won't be positive for 15 years. Maybe longer. This is finance psychology. The weight of decisions made at 18. The cost of following dreams instead of data. The reality that hits at 2 a.m. when you're lying in bed doing the math. Again, this is POV reality. Welcome to StatPsyche.